Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. And so I haven't been out to fly in a while. I'm back out here, y'all, with one of my planes. Had the urge to get out here. It's a beautiful day. I got the Qidi 580. It's the one I chose to get back in the air with. And I took the landing gear off it. This is not the first time this bird has been flown on the channel. If you guys remember, I flew this guy when I first got it with the stock transmitter a few times, and it was flying awful. It seemed like the balance was off or something, and then as soon as I put it on my multi-protocol transmitter, the Boxer, this thing flew like a dream. And so this is one of my favorite planes now to be flown, but I have to fly it with the I tossed that that stock transmitter. It was trash. So that's my advice to anybody who got this plane or who's thinking about this plane. Don't expect the stock transmitter to be a good fit for this plane to fly it. In my case, it was not. And so if you have a multi-protocol transmitter, this will be a great plane to fly. And I'm going to show you guys. You'll see how well this thing flies with multi-protocol transmitter. I got my Boxer, and it's a 1S flyer, brushless and all. Great deal. Oh man, I forgot to take the tail wheel off, but we're going to leave that on though. I don't want to lose it. And so let's get this guy up in the air, y'all. The pack I'm flying it with is a 550 milliamp hour 1S pack. And the sun is hitting me. Let me walk over here so the sun's not in my eyes. Does have lights on the wings. Check it out, y'all. Beautiful flying plane. The rudder works well. A lot of response from the rudder and whatnot. You can get some height with it. It's a little windy out here. Let's see if we can do a loop. A little crooked looking. Nevertheless, it was a loop. I got my acro mode set to the button on this guy. Oh. See if we can fly it low. Oh. Seems like I almost stalled it. I had it too low. You stop flying it around in a circle. Oh! Almost got myself in the tree, y'all. Trying some aerobatics. I try to do a split S maneuver. Really a great flying plane. Let's do a speed pass. You can fly it in a pretty tight space. Got to be careful with the rudder, not to give it too much rudder, and not to go too low on the throttle. Tried to get it to zoom right by. Awesome flyer. Got to be careful of the wildlife out here. Sometimes the birds get they want to attack. You saw that bird there. Oh. The acro mode is a little iffy, y'all. I think it needs to be trimmed out. Okay, we're flashing. I think it's always flashing though. Awesome flying bird, y'all. Slow it down. It glides well. Got to be careful with the rudder when you slow it down though. Check it out. Let me stop before I mess around and get this guy stuck in the tree. I don't know where the battery is on it. We've been flying for a decent amount of time though. And this is a 1S. Let's try to bring it down. We're going to circle back around and then try to bring it in for a nice landing. A lot of turbulence. A little too much rudder right there, y'all. And we banged out. Cover flew right off it. Hopefully everything's okay with it. The battery didn't pop loose. Looks like no damage. We didn't hit hard enough to get any damage. And it looks like we still have battery. We still have a lot of battery left. Well, I'm not going to say a lot. No, it's flashing. So the battery's done. Let's unplug it. The lights are flashing, as you can see there. So I think the lights flash all the time, but I think that the lights start flashing in unison when this guy when the battery is spent, when it's at LVC. That's a quick flight of the Qidi 580 back in action. Finally got a bird back in the air from a little layoff, and it was an awesome fun flight, y'all. The Qidi 580. I'll have links in the description. See you next time. Thanks for watching.